Understanding the unique risks associated with aerial lifts is crucial for safety on any construction site. eCertify's Aerial Lift Safety Course, priced at $15, offers comprehensive training designed for SHOs, superintendents, and any worker operating aerial lifts on government projects. This online course covers everything from the types of aerial lifts to recognizing unsafe conditions, minimizing hazards, and performing proper inspections. It's perfect for those looking to meet industry standards and enhance their safety expertise. Aligned with key regulations like OSHA 1910.269, EM 385.11, and ASI A92.9, the course ensures compliance and provides insights into maintaining a safe work environment when aerial lifts are in use. With instant certification available upon passing, this course enables participants to quickly download a verifiable certificate that meets government requirements, achieve a passing score of 70% or higher to demonstrate your understanding. Designed for flexibility, you can complete this 2-hour course at your own pace. Short quizzes between sections help reinforce learning, allowing you to retain critical safety knowledge. Perfect for those involved in federal and state-funded construction projects, the course is particularly valuable for SSHOs who often oversee aerial lift operations and need up-to-date safety training. eCertify's courses are always current with the latest government requirements, ensuring that you're prepared for any project-specific needs or safety expectations. Enroll in eCertify's Aerial Lift Safety course today and gain the skills and certification to keep your team safe and compliant on every construction site.